My name is Greta, I'm 14 years old, and I am on Team Green. I've decided to do my project today on exercise and calories. You've probably heard of a calorie before, right? Only 100 calories in this bag of chips, and so on. But what exactly is a calorie? Well, it's actually a unit of heat energy. Specifically, the amount of energy needed to raise 1 gram of water to 1 degree Celsius. So why are calories so important? Because they're fuel for our bodies. We run on heat energy in pretty much the same way that cars run on gas. So therefore, when you consume food, the calories in that food are stored as body fat until you need it for energy. On average, you burn about 2,000 calories every day just existing. But the trouble comes when people take in more calories than they burn, which causes all of the calories to gather waiting to be burned, which causes them to gain body fat. In order to stay healthy and strong, a balance must be struck between taking in calories and burning them. One of the many ways to burn calories and stay healthy is through physical activity, exercise. So if I'm working out, I want to get the most bang for my buck, right? I mean, I only have so much time. I want to burn as many calories as I can. This idea is what my experiment developed from. I wondered if the type of exercise I did made any difference in the amount of calories I burned. I tested this by working out on 3 different exercise machines, bike, treadmill, and elliptical, for the same amount of time, 20 minutes, at the same intensity level. I used the stats from the machine to record how many calories I burned on each different types of exercise. I worked out 3 separate times, and then averaged the numbers out to get the most accurate results. Here's my graph that shows the results of my experiment. As shown here, the elliptical burned the most, with 143.5 calories burned over a 20-minute period. The stationary bike came in second with 103.5 calories burned, and the treadmill came in third with just 99 calories burned. I hypothesized that exercising on the treadmill would burn the most amount of calories. The reason I thought this was because the action of the treadmill more closely resembles running than the other two, and there's more pressure on my knees and feet due to the fact that they're constantly hitting the ground. In earlier experiences, I also noticed that running seems to expend a lot of my energy. In conclusion, I found that the type of exercise I did in fact make a difference in the amount of calories I burned. Unfortunately, my earlier hypothesis that the treadmill would burn the most amount of calories was not correct. Quite the opposite, in fact. If you will take a look at the graph, you will find that it did burn the least amount of calories. From now on, I'll consider the elliptical first if I want to burn calories. For research in the future, I'd like to experiment more with heart rate and exercise. Also, I would like to redo this experiment with different and/or additional types of exercises. Thank you so much to Currclick and the judges. This was a lot of fun. Thank you for watching.